y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Diamond, also known as The Quality Name, here on YouTube, Instagram, and technically Twitter. I was listening to my hair and she's screaming. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a lock detox. I was sent these incredible lock cleansing detox bombs by this Black woman owned company. Native, yeah, I haven't heard of them. Well, you're hearing about them now. I got the detox bomb that is the deep cleanse. It's made with all natural ingredients. It's made from sodium bicarbonate, Epsom salt, sea salt, citric acid, y'all know what I mean, cornstarch, olive oil, distilled water, and lavender oil. Detox bomb is going to do is basically clean my hair of any potential buildup that I could have possibly gotten from water and oil, which is limited to none, but I just really feel like I need to do a deep cleanse because it's been some time.
So here I'm just showing you guys my easy shampoo hair washing basin, and I got this off of Amazon. I like it because it's portable, and it also has this cool little like thing where or tube thing where you can like easily let the water out, so you don't have to worry about like water getting stuck in there. And here I'm just showing you my air pump that I'm using to blow up my basin. After I finish blowing up my basin, I just pour in hot water, add my detox bombs, and technically it was just one. It split in half on accident. And then I just place my hair in and I sit for about 15 minutes. And during this time, all I'm doing is massaging my roots and just trying to make sure that all of my locks are getting the opportunity to get detoxed. Personally, I didn't see too much of a color change in the water, and I honestly count that to the fact that I wash my hair quite often and I don't use many products. So right now we'll just watch a quick time lapse of my locks detoxing. But yeah, you do see a slight color change, but it's not like you know those like super fascinating ones that you watch and it's like a completely different color. Sometimes I'd be concerned with the overall well-being of the locks, but that's none of my business. But I do be like intrigued because it's almost like those pimple popping shows and stuff. It's just something interesting to watch. Like, okay, go get it removed. I see you. So after those 15 minutes have passed by, I just squeeze my locks to try to get any excess water out, and then I follow up with my shampoo and wash day routine. And I've already uploaded a video. Here's a quick clip from that video, and I will also be sure to link it. After I wash my hair, I like to do a hot oil treatment, and right now I'm just showing you my double boiling method. Not really mine, but it's just heating up some water in an electric kettle. I pour it in a container, and then I place my oil inside of that container. And what this does is just makes it a lot easier for the oil to lock in that moisture. Yeah, castor oil is a little bit thick, so it makes it just a little bit more movable, if that makes any kind of sense. I don't know. So I like to split my hair in half and then just do the praying hands method and just rub down my locks. I mean, y'all, do y'all see these inches though? I mean the fullness. Like, can we please get into it? I love it. Like, look at how clean that scalp is. Oh my gosh, yes. See, we love to see it. We truly do. So really quickly, I just want to remind you guys to make sure to not detox too often. You can always DIY your own detox, and there are so many videos on YouTube about them, and I'll probably do one in the second half of this year. But I absolutely loved the results of the detox balm that I use, and you guys should definitely check them out. I'll leave all of their information in the description box below. What I like to do is just part my hair into their various columns, and then just run my oil down those columns. I always look so serious when I'm doing my hair, but I don't know. I guess it's just from so much time doing it, you just kind of, I don't know how people be doing the little smiles and all the stuff while they be doing their hair, because I'm like, girl, we focus, we got work to do. And I'm just saying. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you aren't following me on Instagram already, you definitely should. It's where I preview pretty much all of my videos and give you all a chance to vote on what you guys see next. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to respond and engage with you all. Yeah. Also, what days work best for you? I'm thinking of having another upload day, and I just want to check in with you guys and see what day you would be interested in seeing videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, you guys. Peace.